Here mense, ek het nou die hele weekend en gister gesit en gedink oor Heritage Day. And the reason why I was now thinking of Heritage Day the whole time is because some people think as coloureds don't have a culture or a heritage. En as baie reasons vir die mense. Baie reasons. And one of them is ons coloureds as soos 'n boks crayons. Crayons, ek sê vir hulle nou, ons is 'n boks crayons. Nou 'n boks crayons het mos al die colours. Nou ons coloureds, net soos hy boks crayons, het al die fucking kulture in ons. Basically is die hele wêreld in ons mense, die Asians, die Europeans, die Africans. Ons is soos 'n mixed biryani. And some people say that the word coloured is a derogatory term. A horrible word, in other words. Here, ek sê vir julle nou, ons is baie proud van hy woord coloured, want ons is net hy boks crayons, vol van die colours. Sommige mense sê is difficult om vir ons te identify, let's say in a crowd or somewhere, you know. And that is understandable because some of us, we have dark skin, then we look black, and others light skin, then we look white, or others look Indian, and it's confusing for other people. Here, as ons net ons bekke oop maak, dan weet hulle ons is coloureds. Want ons accent is so different as ons culture. Ons accent is so unique, mense. You won't find it anywhere else in this world. So don't be ashamed of your accent because it's who you are. It's your culture. En moenie vir ons sê, ons het nie 'n taal. We don't have a language. Don't tell us that because we do. English en Afrikaans is ook ons tale. Ons mix English en Afrikaans en ons maak ons eie woorde. We have a language. Soos away. My massa kind. My choose, tell her what you must. Jou massa. Nee, dis 'n slegte ene. Like the word use. In other words, you all. There's many people, so to make it plural, we put mos 'n S, use. There's a lot of things that people don't understand that we say. So ons kinders sê, Daddy come here. Which means, Daddy come listen here. But what bothers me the most is the schools. When it's cultural day, then the children must wear cultural clothes and bring cultural food and that stuff. Dan weet die coloured ouers nie wat om te doen. Want ons dink, miskien is dit so, mense weet nie ons culture. Maar kom ek sê vir julle nou, ons het 'n cultural food. Daai akni, daai biryani, daai stew, daai curry is ons culture. Daai bruin cook system met die coconut is ons cultural food. Daai Russian special is ons fucking cultural food. Clothing. Ons het cultural clothing. It may not be a full outfit, maar ons het goede. Ken jy daai lelikste skoene, die Cavella? Every coloured either had it or wanted it. It's our culture. Dis baie goede mense. Ordinary clothes is ons culture. Die Erlings belt, die Levi jeans, die Sebago. Almal van die goede is ons culture. En vir die vrouens, ons hare. Niemand anders gebruik Colgate conditioner om ons curls mooi te maak en 'n swirlkous in die aand. And you know those sponges that they now selling to make a bolas. Ons het eers daai dinge gemaak en gebruik met kouse en stockings. Ek sê vir julle nou, be proud to be coloured. Share this video if you are proud coloured. Want ek sê vir julle nou, ek is 'n proud pushy.